Hello guys, welcome back to my channel on the Maritime Club, and today is a very different. I just want to show you when the vessel or ship passing on the high pressure area, and then we call in the maritime education. This situation is this area name is the dangerous semicircle area. What is the dangerous semicircle area? Dangerous semicircle area is the location of the center of the area affected by the high pressure from the center point of the make high pressure at sea, and then the high pressure affected to make the waves come over the wind and make some buoyancies and make some influence to become make very dangerous area. Also the waves and sea condition will be changing so much depending how is the pressure from the from the high pressure intention. So in this video, as we can see, all the crew stand by on the bridge, all the crew stand by on the bridge, but for the engine people stand by on the engine control room, all the engine room, and stand by from suddenly when the accident coming, they prepare for the emergency evacuation. They need to go on the master station. So how is the captain? Is the one command in this situation. Is a very important actor in this situation. He gives some instruction to make starboard 10. He look it just manually because I think this ship is not aware with the navigation telex, because what is the navigation telex is the one of the component on the bridge and make some navigation warning before we get some this condition, before the satellite indicating from the navtex have some indicate when this area is become high pressure and all the pressure approaching in this coordinate need to be careful. Also need to be like go far from this area because this area is affected from the high pressure. So I hope we can learn also what we need to do if we get some condition. Just keep watching this video until the end, and we try to serving every content about the maritime industry. So now it's different, as we can see now, the movement of the ship, the stability, also the moment of the gravity is to make it not have balance. But also this vessel fleet is the roll on and roll off. When the ballast control system is very different from the tanker ship and the cargo ship. So the moment of the gravity of the roll on and roll off ship is so very big. Also they will increasing the movement as well with this condition of the high pressure. So I hope you're gonna be support my channel, and we meet for the next video. Regards from the Maritime. Enjoy this watching. Hey guys, now we already get some conclusion from this situation. Why the captain always gives some instruction going on the starboard side, midship and starboard side is maybe, I think it's nothing to port, because the center point of the high pressure is going to become on the port side, maybe 35 degrees on the port side. This is the location of the high pressure intention. So the captain always gives them some instruction to maneuver to bring the vessel outside from the area, and we call the name is what I try to remember is navigable semicircle area. What is the navigable? From this name we can get some advantage. We can get thing to know if the navigable is the very safely area when the vessel approaching or the vessel passing from to this area. The vessel is able to maneuver. Also, the sea condition is a very compare with this ship. So the captain go far from the dangerous semicircle area and really want to go out from the circle tropical cyclone. So now the condition is become normal. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video wherever you want. Maybe you can tell to your friend, to your family, to your relation. If this video is useful for you, just give a like and always support the Maritime movement. Free from the Maritime movement. And ciao.